and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some cleaning, a little deep cleaning. We're going to be shampooing some rugs downstairs in the breakfast nook and hearth room. We're also going to be putting my new spring summer comforter on my bed. I'm very excited about that. And we're also going to be harvesting some okra from the garden and frying those up. Stay tuned. Laundry is a regular chore in this household. There are 3 of us here. I will wash and fold all the clothes, and I will put one of my kids' clothing in one basket and the other basket, and they'll take it upstairs, put it in their rooms, in their designated drawers, and hang them up in their closet, and then they'll bring the baskets back to the laundry room. I am so grateful for their help. This is the new comforter I'm so excited to put on my bed. This will be my spring summer comforter. It's lighter than the other comforter that I have. Well, the other one is a duvet that I'll be using in the fall and winter. I purchased this from a discount store called Bells, and I did share that haul in a previous reel, so go check that out.
Switch it up. If you're new here, my name is Morgan Scott. I am a mother of 2 small children. I am recently divorced. I'm a full-time pharmacist. I love posting content with me around my home, cleaning, decorating, cooking, gardening, and so much more. If you enjoy content like that, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Subscribers, thanks for the support.
Alright, I'm outside in my garden. I did plait my hair, pool friendly hair, but I'm out here and I already harvested some okra here. I see some more I want to get out. Okra grows fast, that's why I like okra. And I see another cucumber that's ready to harvest. Let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest those and bring them in the house. Okra there. I got one back there I'm going to harvest. And then I'm going to show you my cucumber here. I think I'm going to leave that one. Eat the first one I have first. But I'm just looking for any more okras. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. So today I only harvest some okra, which is good. I'm gonna go ahead, go home, clean these off, go in the house. Clean these off, put some salt, pepper, some yeast flakes, and fry them. It's gonna be delicious. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Subscribers, again, thank you for your support.